I've embraced my inner Emperor, and today I'm going to show you the Senate Lightsaber by Parsec Sabers. Of course, inspired by Palpatine / Darth Sidious. The Parsec boys sent this one over, and honestly I couldn't be more delighted to bring it to you. Here's the carry case that the Saber came in, very heavy duty, very well made, really impressed. And I'm really sorry to say, but your husband, your wife, your significant other is now going to leave you because you've decided that you're going to become the new Emperor of the Galaxy because you're going to look the boss with this new Saber. So ornate. I've always been a fan of Palpatine's hilt. I think it looks so classy. I love the gold. I love the silver. It even comes with a little saber plug, which I've not seen before, but it makes a really nice touch if you're just going to display the hilt. I love the size of this saber. I think the saber holds really well. It's really quite light, but also it's got that little bit of weight to make it feel more premium. But everyone, get your stepladder out because this saber is looking next level. All of the money that you saved up for her engagement ring, you're now going to be spending on the Palpatine lightsaber, and I don't think she's going to be mad. And of course, your boy Celebro does it all, and he's going to show you some sick moves and how this thing looks in hand. As you can see, I'm a master of movement. But jokes aside, this looks really good. It's really fluorescent. The light is really bright. And you're going to be executing Order 66 in no time. If for some reason you want those Jedi colours with Palpatine's saber, you can do that because you can have any colour. Any questions, please fire away. And by all means, I couldn't recommend this saber enough. And thank you so much to Parsec for sending this one out. Peace.